Did humans really build the pyramids of Egypt? Or was it something else? For years, people have questioned how ancient Egyptians created these massive structures without modern machines. Some even suggest aliens helped. But what does history say? Archaeologists have found workers' villages, tools, ramps, and even graffiti left by the pyramid builders themselves. These weren't slaves forced to work. They were skilled laborers, engineers, and craftsmen. The Great Pyramid was built over 4,500 years ago using limestone blocks, manpower, smart engineering, and incredible organization. Recent discoveries show they used ramp systems and sleds to move the heavy stones across wet sand. So, did humans build the pyramids? Yes. Not aliens, not magic, just intelligence, teamwork, and determination. And maybe that's even more impressive.